Hello, my name is Professor G and I am going to be going over this problem. So we want to solve for y and we have this equation and we have y's on both sides. So the first thing we want to do is think about how we're going to isolate y or get y by itself. So I want to get rid of this minus 12 or negative 12, and what I can do, I can think of a teeter-totter. In order to keep the balance, we have the equal sign and we want to keep that balance. And so it's legal for us, if you put 12 pounds on one side, put 12 pounds on the other, and you'll keep the balance. So here, in order to get rid of negative 12 or subtracting 12, I want to make that a positive 12. So add 12 to both sides of the equation. So let me go ahead and do that. And then when negative 12 plus 12 is going to give me 0, so I'll have nothing left there. And then negative 44 plus 12, the signs are different, so that means I'm subtracting and I'm taking the sign of the higher number, which is negative. So that would be negative 32. So the 3y comes down, and then negative 12 plus 12, I'm not even going to write the 0. It's just not there. So 3y equals 7y minus 32. Then the next step, I want to get the y's together. So I'm going to, this 7y here, I'm going to subtract 7y from both sides. And that will make this, let's see, so I'll just put that in there. Maybe it's the next line. I think I might have lost the formatting on it. Okay, so here I'm subtracting 7y from both sides. And, okay, let me make that clear. Oh, we got a double negative there. So there we go. So then the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and combine those. So 3y minus 7y would give us negative 4y. And then the 7y minus 7y is just 0. So we're just left with the negative 32. And then the next step, so basically what I've been doing here is the opposite function. So here 12 was being subtracted and then I added it. Here 7y was being added, so I subtracted 7y. So I'm just doing the opposite function to get it down to the form that I want it to be in. And so now my last step is the negative 4y. I want to get y by itself. I don't want negative 4y, so all I do, this is being times by y, I divide both sides by negative 4. Oops, so I divide this side by negative 4, and then what I do to one side, I always have to do to the other to keep the balance, just like a teeter-totter. So when I divide both sides by negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. 1 times y is y. And then here, y equals positive 8, because negative 32 divided by a negative 4 will give me a positive 8. So that is my answer. Hope this makes sense, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.